We are down at the wonderful Hendy Ford because this week's winner, Deniz Kasap, has just won himself a brand new £37,000 Ford Focus ST.
And if you head to the website now, you can enter to be BOTB's first ever millionaire. Best of luck.
Hello, Deniz.
Hi, Christian.
Ah, you know who I am. That's good news. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm very well. Whereabouts are you at the moment, Deniz? Where do you live?
I'm at home, actually, in Poland.
Okay. Oh, in Poland. Fantastic. Awesome. What's the weather there like today? Because here it's, rather wet.
It's the same, actually.
Is it? Okay, fine. And are you working today, Deniz, or are you day off?
No, I am free, actually. Yeah.
You're free? Well, what is your job? What do you do?
I'm a chef.
You're a chef. Well, I have some very good news for you, Deniz. You entered into our Dream Car competition last week, and if I spin around, I've got something to show you. Deniz, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner. Deniz, you've just won a brand new £37,000 Focus ST.
Wow. Wow. I'm actually shaking, you know.
What was it about this car that made you pick this one out of all the cars we've got in the lineup?
It's a perfect daily, actually. Just a daily car.
I've had the privilege of driving a few of these. We took one of them down to the New Forest, and if you get it in manual, because it can come in either an automatic or a manual is fantastic. With the performance pack on it, it'll downshift and blip for you. It is a phenomenal car.
Yeah. Fantastic. I don't know what to say, actually. I'm speechless.
I can see. Deniz, in terms of colours, obviously we can buy you one in whatever colour you'd like. Have you ever thought about what colour you might want a brand new car in?
Definitely the green one.
The green, yeah, it's called Mean Green. I was just chatting to the guys here at Hendy Ford. In terms of horsepower, it's got like 230 horsepower from a 2.3 litre engine in this. It is phenomenal to drive, as I mentioned. It's like a little terrier, this thing. You kind of wrestle with it on the road, and it's so much fun. Have you ever driven one of these before?
Actually not. I would love to.
Oh, yeah. Well, now you're going to own your brand new one, and you are going to just want to drive everywhere in it. So I'm going to start with the seats on the interior. You've got these amazing bucket-style seats on here, really supportive and also very comfortable. You've now got this massive touchscreen just here on the left, which I absolutely adore. Sounds pretty good as well, as you can imagine. So let me fire it up right now.
Yeah.
For a car this size. Yeah, it sounds really nice, really nice.
That's absolutely nice.
Because you've got your thumb on your thing, it's doing like a little, yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
What would you say to anyone thinking about entering BOTB?
Absolutely do it. Absolutely. You have to. You will never know if you don't try.
Huge congratulations to you, Deniz. Well done.
Thank you very much. I mean, I'm so grateful. Really.
Well, we'll chat to you later on, and if we ever come over to Poland, we'll have to come and find the restaurant you work in and sample some of your food.
Sure. No problem.
Deniz, we'll speak to you a bit later on. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you very much.
Cheers, bye.
Bye-bye.